from the KATC Weather Lab, here's Bradley's forecast.
All right, welcome back. Welcome to a new week. Definitely a lot going on this week weather-wise in Acadiana. We're going to start off mild over the next couple of days, but we're going to have a strong cold front that's going to get here really late on Tuesday going into Wednesday. So first off, that's going to provide the threat of severe weather, but then thereafter, we are talking a big change in the pattern, a big flip in the pattern as we see much colder air filtering in to the region really as we head into the middle parts of the month, and that could carry over and last really through Christmas, but we'll have to see how it plays out in the days ahead. But first, again, let's get a check of the upper level pattern, and we are watching our next weather maker, and really this is going to be a weather maker for much of the country, eventually bringing snow to the north, and then again here down south, the threat for severe weather initially, and then a push of colder air down the line. Now, Power Doppler 3, again, after we did see a good scattering of showers and storms going back to last night and early this morning, we have since quieted down. In fact, did see mostly sunny skies through the course of the afternoon. That helped push temperatures into the mid 70s, and we're going to be settling into the 70s at least for the most part over the next couple of days. Some of us though remaining in the 60s throughout the day tomorrow. So we are in the mid 60s this evening. We'll drop a few more degrees, most of us lower 60s first thing tomorrow morning. Some upper 50s will be sprinkled in there. Otherwise, partly to mostly cloudy skies. May see some patches of fog in spots, but that would be about it, so keep that in mind. Otherwise, again, partly to mostly cloudy throughout our Monday, maybe some peaks of the sun into the afternoon. Temperatures, again, we'll call it cool to mild, upper 60s to lower 70s. We do stay dry. Rain chances really no better than around 5 to 10%. Then here we go. Temperatures dropping low to mid 60s tomorrow night heading into Tuesday morning. And then what we are going to start to notice is those winds coming out of the southeast throughout the day on Tuesday. It's going to be breezy, 15 to 20 miles per hour sustained, gust at times even a little bit higher than that. May see a few streamer showers through the daytime hours there on Tuesday, but really our best rain chances are going to hold off until late Tuesday night and then heading into Wednesday. But you can see storms are really going to get cooking across the northern parts of the state going into Tuesday evening. This is likely where we're going to see a severe weather outbreak and really where the severe weather threat is going to be maximized. And then here we go. Our rain chances are increasing late Tuesday night heading into Wednesday morning. Some locally heavy rainfall will be possible at times, and then activity should start to wind down from west to east as we head into Wednesday afternoon. So the severe weather risk, again, for us, it's going to be Tuesday night going into Wednesday morning. All of Acadiana is already locked in for a slight risk, a level 2 out of 5 of severe storms. So some potential hazards that we could run into, damaging wind gusts, and also a couple isolated tornadoes could be possible. But again, the risk is going to be maximized a little bit farther off to our north across Sinla than as we get into the northern parts of the state. And really, this is the area that's going to be under the greatest risk of a few strong tornadoes. So as far as our winds, again, they're going to be light out there tomorrow at around 3 to 6 miles per hour. But then watch as we head into Tuesday ahead of that storm system. Really going to be picking up out of the southeast, sustained 15 to 20. But again, those gusts at times could even be a little bit higher than that. So cool night ahead is what we'll call it. Partly to mostly cloudy. Maybe some patches of fog, kind of reduced visibilities overnight tonight and first thing tomorrow morning. 61 the projected low, at least here in Lafayette. Otherwise, mostly cloudy start to the week tomorrow. Mild into the afternoon, upper 60s to lower 70s. Just depends on who sees enough peaks of sunshine to help drive those temperatures into the lower 70s. Rain chances, again, no better than around 10%. Ramping up, though, late on Tuesday, especially Tuesday night, going into Wednesday morning at around 90% with showers and storms likely. Low end threat there of severe weather. But again, the greatest risk, as per usual, a little bit farther off to our north. But then thereafter, behind that front, much colder weather. High temperatures will be in the 50s and 60s only, and overnight lows will be back down into the 30s and 40s. So kind of felt like spring this past week in Acadiana, but once we get after Wednesday, Taylor, we are going to be turning the dial to winter for sure, and it could be here to stay for a while. Like I said, perhaps through Christmas. A little too early to tell, but we're going to have to see how that plays out in the days ahead.
You're getting people excited here, Bradley.
Yeah, getting in the holiday spirit for sure. So we'll see, but that's the way it's trending for now. So,
well, thanks for that, Bradley.